trends and ranges, the two states every market lives in. Here's how to read both at a glance. In color. One chart, the semiconductor index on the 4-hour. Watch the color, not just the price, and you'll see the market move between trending with conviction and going nowhere. It starts with strength. Off the low, the bars turn green and build, an early upleg with the color confirming the push. Then it pauses. The green cools toward blue. Not a reversal, just a breather. Strength stepping back while price catches its breath. And strength returns. The bars green up again as the climb resumes, the upleg back in control. Now the market goes quiet. For weeks, the color refuses to commit, drifting in the neutral blue band with brief flickers of green and red, but no side in charge. This is a range. When the color won't pick a side, neither has the market. A range ends when the color finally commits, and here it turns green and breaks out. That breakout becomes a real trend, bar after bar of bright green, conviction holding for weeks as price runs to new highs. But watch the top closely. As price makes its final push, the green darkens. The brightness fades first, strength easing even while price is still climbing. The color tells you before the chart does, and the pullback comes. The bars cool all the way to blue at the low, the strength drained out of the move, exactly where the color warned. Then conviction returns. The green brightens again, and the trend drives on to fresh highs. The move still going, the color still leading. That is the whole vocabulary. Sustained bright color is a trend. The neutral blue band is a range, and the color shifts before price does, so you read the change while it is happening, not after. This video is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. See you in the next educational video.